What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. This your girl Alexis, and I'm back with another video. Today's video it just is okay, because it's like it's a lot. It's a lot to unfold. So yeah, it just is, you know. But before we even get into the video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I drop a video. And I know I shouldn't say be notified when I drop, because I barely drop videos, but you know what? I want to turn over a new leaf, because you know I be lacking, and I feel like I need to be more active on my YouTube channel. So yeah, I'm gonna turn over a new leaf. I'm gonna try to post a video every week. Okay? So today I have been very, very stressed out, you know, depressed about life in general. And like most of the times when I'm stressed out, I definitely get out of it, because you know that's what I do. I get out of it, you know. But this time it's like which has happened before. I got depressed and sad. And when I get depressed, I tend to want to change my appearance or something, you know. And I'm like self-conscious about how I look. I don't feel like I'm pretty, and it's like, oh my God, it's a lot, and it's very much a lot, because it stops me from even doing YouTube. Like I'll be like I can do a whole video and I'll be like, I don't like the way I look, so I just delete it and I just forget about it, and then I'll be like, I'm finna delete this channel, the whole channel altogether. Even when posting on Instagram, like back like a year or two ago, before the pandemic, I used to post like almost at least twice a week. I post on Instagram or something. But now I don't feel pretty. I don't feel, you know, good about myself. Like, it just, I don't know. I just don't feel that way. And the channel I had before, I deleted it, and I deactivated it. And I just wanted to start over. And my Instagram, I deactivated the whole thing. I just didn't feel pretty anymore. I just didn't feel like, oh, well, you know, this is not the same girl from, you know, that time. I just didn't feel that way anymore. So yeah, I deleted those channels, and now I feel like it's kind of, I got back into the, you know, one time feeling okay about myself. I was feeling okay, I look pretty, da 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 da. And then I just went back to the, I don't feel that way, you know. And that's honestly just me second guessing everything. I do that. I second guess myself. Like, I like a picture one day, and then I'll be like, sit that down. They ain't cute at all. Like, it's really crazy. So yeah, I mean, and then like I'm self-conscious about my weight. Like, I don't want to be this size that I am, and you know, I discussed it in another video, but I don't want to. It's just a lot that comes on with this, in this depressive state. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's a lot that brings on depression for certain people, and it's like, as me, I don't like to talk about my problems at all. Like, nah, I don't do that. I don't like to do that. I don't care who you are. I don't care how long you know me. I'm not talking about my problems to nobody, you know. So I think that definitely is something that's taking a toll, because I can't talk about it, or I can't express myself. It's not like I can't, but I don't want to. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I just try to do things that can get my mind away from it. So yeah, I try to do like little mind blockers that can get my mind out of this depressive state. And it works. It works, definitely works. But it just, like, now I feel like I have to change something, you know. So cut it. I'm gonna cut it all off. So yeah, I'm scared. I don't know why I'm scared, because I did this so many times before, but for some reason I'm scared. I hope that this is, you know, I hope it make me feel better. I'm not saying it will, but it usually do. But I just haven't been feeling myself. You know, I didn't lose my job. I quit my job. Like, I literally quit my job because it was a work from home job, but I just couldn't stay in the house. I was getting trapped in my own mind, and I just didn't want to do that. So I quit that job. And like, it's just, sometimes I just feel like I'm 22, so I know, like, I'm still young, but it just feels like, oh, I'm not where I'm supposed to be. I always felt that way. So me cutting my hair is kind of like a start over. I always feel that way. It's a start over. It's a chance for you to change the way you think, change your whole lifestyle. This how I felt. This how I feel when I cut my hair. And usually I do. Usually I do. I'm not saying I know. But without further ado, let's cut this shit off. Alright? Are you ready? I don't know. Alright, right here. You see that? I'm gonna cut it right. Oh my god, I'm scared, bro. I can't be scared now. They got my hair. It took me a year to grow this. Yeah, grow back. It will grow back. Okay. Okay, so yeah. This high five I got. So I'm gonna trim the rest of it off just to even it off camera, and then I'm gonna come back. Alright. Yeah. So how y'all like it? I'm gonna style it off. I'm gonna style it in another video. So right after this video, it's gonna be another video of me styling my hair. So yeah. Yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna. Okay, I ain't gonna sit there and lie to y'all. Sometimes I don't know if I'll cut it again. Just stay with me, alright? Just stay with me. Stay with me, alright? But yeah, thank y'all for watching this video. Make sure y'all hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop another video. Make sure you leave comments on different products you think I should try, because we are at a new stage. We're not at square one, but we're at like square 2 or 3, because yeah, we're at square 2 or 3. But yeah, see y'all in the next video. Bye.